Campbell cameras have always been designed to operate under extreme conditions. Only this time we've decided to create the toughest field camera, period. Instead of requiring an additional enclosure for protection, the actual body of our new CCFC is what makes it so strong. To make it, we start with a solid block of aluminium from which the camera body is literally chiseled via many steps of computer-controlled machining. And while we've aimed to make it super strong, we also needed to be very precise to meet the exacting requirements for the camera's internal components. The polished surface is finished with a specialized anodization layer to protect it from the most aggressive marine and saltwater environments. All this effort has resulted in a camera that's going to remain functional even when faced with extreme abuse. In fact, it is so strong that you literally could drive a full-size truck over it while it keeps recording the action from underneath. And of course, when you pick it up afterwards, you won't find a single scratch. Now at Campbell, we are very excited to introduce CCFC because we have added a series of features that go far beyond its physical strength. For instance, we have integrated a motorized zoom and autofocus lens, so you can change the field of view at any time, even without physical access to the camera. The optical quality of the lens itself has reached a new level. And at the heart of the camera, we have added a completely new image sensor. With the CCFC, we wanted to empower all of our customers to be able to set up and operate the camera without any training. And so we've developed a completely new user interface that makes it extremely easy to get started and then to go on and customize the camera for your specific needs. To give you the best possible connectivity, we have integrated Wi-Fi directly into the camera. This way it is super easy to add it to your existing network or to turn the camera itself into an access point. This becomes the most useful in situations where you definitely don't want to be anywhere near your camera's viewing platform. A front glass defroster is now a standard feature, and when you need to observe your targets around the clock, CCFC becomes your eyes in the dark by automatically engaging its infrared-powered night vision mode. Of course, CCFC also provides all the features of our previous cameras, and we encourage you to explore them in detail with our consultants. But for now, I'd like to leave you with a final thought. Whenever you need to take a camera where no other has survived before, think CCFC.